In this video, we break down the straightforward process of zipping a file or folder in Windows 10. Zipping is an invaluable skill, allowing user to save space, streamline file organization, and facilitate easier file sharing. Follow our easy guide to master the art of zipping and manage your files with efficiency. If you find the tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive in and make file management a breeze. To zip a file or folder in Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Locate the file or folder. Navigate to the file or folder you want to zip using File Explorer. Step 2. Right click on the file or folder. Once you have found the file or folder, right click on it. Step 3. Select Send to. In the context menu that appears, hover over the Send to option. Step 4. Choose Compressed Zipped Folder. From the sub-menu that appears, select Compressed or Zip Folders. Step 5. Name the zip file. Windows will automatically create a new zip file in the same location with the same name as the original file or folder. If you want, you can rename this zip file to something else. Step 6. Done. Your file or folder is now zipped. Remember, if you are zipping multiple files or folders at once, it's best to first move them all into a single folder and then zip that folder.